with Shane. What do we have going on today?
We're designing a cut file for rigging in a CAD program. It's a little tough to tell what it is, but we'll cut it here in a minute. But this is a CAD program, and we'll do a cut program. All right, so this is the Atom Flex Cut S that we're using instead of a clicker machine, and this is how we load shape. So these are files I've already programmed, and we'll go ahead and find them. There's a front rigging that I just designed earlier that we showed. Here's the swell. They're both loaded in the program. We'll go here, and now we can come down. See over here, we can grab the pattern. Right now we're just proofing the pattern to make sure that it's viable before I cut it out of leather. So there's a rigging, there's a swell. It's going to get noisy, but now we're going to turn it on to cut. Vacuum's going to turn on, suck this paper down. Going to push the green button. Just like that. We got a front rigging that we can make sure it's going to work. We've got a swell cover that we can make sure it's going to work.